In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update content on a WordPress website. So first things first, head over to wordpress.com, then click on this Get Started option right here, or Get Started option right here in order to create an account. If you already have an account, click onto this plugin that we can see right there. Now here is our homepage for our actual store. So for example, let's see how our store looks like first. Head over here to the page and look for the page that you wish to actually edit. I have in here this about page. Let's see what it looks like. As of right now, my page looks like this. We have the about page, some text, and that's all there is for now. If you wish to add another thing into this, head over and then click onto this edit just below that, and it should be able to open. As you can see, I have some things right here that has not been saved yet, such as this checklist. Let's also add some more, like for example, let's head over and add in here some options like this, multiple choice box or poll. So in here, you can just add some more elements that you wish to use, and then they will be added right here. Now, if you want this change to reflect into this, what we can do is we can click onto the save option. And once it's done saving, it should be able to be published. Now it's saved. Head over right here and refresh this site. And this should be able to update the content onto our site. As you can see, it's now been updated and we can now see it right here. So you can just make the changes right here, and once you're done with everything, you can head over and then just save the change that you have done in this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.